Hey, it's Spence from MinuteLaunch.com. I've got an update today regarding how easy it is with 2 clicks to connect MinuteLaunch to your favorite agentic tool. The question came in from Glenn from FFP Collective about how he can use the MinuteLaunch Fluence MCP. Now, the Fluent MCP is a full-fledged suitcase full of 191 tools you can use. That's still awesome, but overkill for many situations. Instead, go into the plugin manager where you can update all of the MinuteLaunch virtual plugins with 1 click. Notice if you have any questions, you can also meet Fernando, who can help you with any question about your WordPress site, including all the legacy plugins, the media library, creating skills. All of this is free for downloading the plugin at MinuteLaunch.com/ML. But with Glenn's question, he wanted to know how he can connect his favorite tool, whether it be in the browser, in the desktop, or otherwise. Here's how we do it. We go to Connect Your Agent. And rather than using the full 191 tools, we simply generate a one-time key, which, by the way, you can keep longer. The key itself is disposable, and you can tell your tool that it's going to use the key, and it doesn't have to worry about the security issues, or you can tell it to save the key separately. I like to save it separately. So I copy the key, and then in this case, I'm going to go to Claude, and I'm going to give him the key, and I'm going to tell him, hey, Claude, it's Spence. I'm going to give you the key again just to demonstrate for my audience how you can set up the MinuteLaunch connection to you so you can work on my site for me. Keep this key safe and separate. Do not publish it. Say something that indicates to your favorite tool to do this. I'm using Claude right now inside of Anthropic. It will recognize what you're asking for and keep it separate. Next, while he's working on that, I'm going to copy the instructions. These are the walkie-talkie that make it possible for him to work on your site. And now I'm going to say, paste, and I'm going to say, similarly, hey, Claude, in this case, Fernando, it's Spence again. Here's the tools you need to connect. Let me know that you're able to connect to the site. And he uses these 2 components together as a walkie-talkie to be able to connect to and edit and do anything that I need on the WordPress site, from publishing to managing the content to managing the users and more. And most importantly, for using all of the custom components that are available as part of the MinuteLaunch system for a low cost. No plugins required. This is 100% running without any other WordPress plugins, but it's using all of the value and the benefit of WordPress. Now he's talking to me, by the way, because we have a little bilingual conversation, and he's saying he's confirmed, he's connected, he's good to go. He can read, write, edit, do everything that I need, as simple as that. Let's ask him to build something simple. Just build a page for me to demonstrate you can do it. Make it an HTML. Be sure to do it with a dark background with white text, orange highlights, gray highlights. Use the skills that I've taught you as part of the MinuteLaunch system and say, hi, everybody. It's easy to connect to MinuteLaunch with your favorite agentic tool. Now, you have skills available from us that allow him to be an expert on everything from law to medicine to publication to editorial. The MinuteLaunch system also allows him not only to manage the creation of these things, but also to send them out to your customers, post socially, even to do the research and creation of new plugins. Something that was really a dream come true years ago has now become a reality, and it's just a low cost. You can get started with the MinuteLaunch system for $97. It's really that simple. Let's see if he's created the page. And it does not mean, by the way, that you cannot use the other connectivity tools that we've got, including the Fluent MCP. It just means that this new method is much faster, lighter, and he doesn't have to pack a suitcase in the trunk with 191 things that he's not going to use. All right, he's created the page, as simple as that. And he's going to give me the link to preview it. Let's take a look. And there you go. Now, he's used the tool that we built into the system, which bridges the gap of the old-fashioned Gutenberg and page builders and makes super lightweight, easy for you as a human being to not only see what he created with just one Gutenberg block, but it can also allow you to adjust the things that you need to adjust, or he can do it for you, like hiding the header, the footer, the page title, and more. Here, when I close this, I can actually go ahead and click Edit. And if I want to change the words, everyone, I can do it as a human being, save it, publish it, and I'm off to the races. Notice what happened there was 0 effort, 0 desktop tools, using in the browser Anthropic. The total cost of the MinuteLaunch system starts at $97. You have no obligation or contracts. The best part about everything, though, is that when you get into the system, it uses all of the tools of the legacy system of WordPress as well. We include those in the package, including the software bundle of about 122 of the legacy plugins you're probably paying for now. They're a part of our agency relationship. So if you're interested in the MinuteLaunch system, I'm trying out this new short system. Come on by to MinuteLaunch.com. Try the MinuteLaunch self-hosted plan. You can also get hands-on help if you wish from me directly as a concierge or as a VIP conversion, where we take you off of all of the old outside tools you're using, services, marketing, and more. I'll see you guys on the next video.